If you have a skill that's useful to people and you can teach others to develop that same skill, then you can make money online as a tutor. If this appeals to you, then think about what you know, and then think about if others would want to know this as well. For example, you might be a really good cook and create delicious meals for your friends and family. Maybe you create your own recipes and you're happy to share your skills and knowledge with others. Maybe you have a skill that you use in your work, such as sales and marketing, that you can teach others how to do. Or maybe you're a financial wizard and can help people create company accounts or even business plans. These days, there are great platforms where you can set up your courses and charge for the training you provide. This is a one-to-many as opposed to a one-to-one tutoring approach, as you'll be creating videos and other resources that people can learn from. Some people will pay a lot of money for the right training. Business training is very popular, but so is training on popular hobbies such as cooking or digital photography. You need to plan out your course and then record a series of high-quality training videos that'll take the customer step by step through the learning process. You can offer beginner, intermediate, or even advanced courses. If what you're teaching is in demand, then the audience will find your course. Now, once you've launched your courses, you do need to get the word out about them. The big platforms will help you do this. After that, you have the potential to earn passive income when new people purchase your training courses. New tutoring platforms. There are two big tutoring platforms that have really taken the internet by storm. These are udemy.com and skillshare.com. With both of these platforms, you can upload your videos and any other additional resources and present them as a training course. You can charge what you like for your courses. The platforms will take a specific percentage for hosting your courses. But both of these platforms get a lot of visitor traffic. So you need to take advantage of them so you can earn the most money you can sharing your knowledge. You need to know how to master selling on these platforms. As you can imagine, there is a right and a wrong way to create courses and market them on Udemy and Skillshare. A lot of people just dive in and complain bitterly when they don't get the results they want. You need to be smart and learn all the latest tips and tricks that you can to be successful with Udemy and Skillshare. We have some outstanding courses showing you how to set up your courses on these platforms and how to get your first customers. So if becoming an online tutor appeals to you and you want to take advantage of the power of Skillshare and Udemy, then check out our courses.